So to share a learning log or another document with somebody else, the simplest thing to do is to click here on the File menu and then come down to Share. And then what you'll notice is that you have the default is people who can edit. So if you share it with edit rights, then they can go in and they can make changes to what you've typed. If you don't want them to be able to make changes, then we want to change that and say can comment. Now notice there are a couple options for sharing. One, we can type in somebody's email address here, and so if I wanted to share this with somebody, I'll just go with Cliff Waite in the technology department. If I type his name correctly, at least, then it comes in and I can share it with him that way. In this case, because you don't necessarily know everybody else that's in the class, although technically through Classroom you could probably find that, but a simpler thing to do is just to click on this Get a Shareable Link option, and then notice you have a drop-down menu here, and so you can say anyone at Bonneville Joint School District can view, can comment, can edit. So if I click on this link, then it brings this up, and that will work fine, but the rest of the class, to be able to comment, they'll need to be able to they'll have to log into their D93 mail account first. Shouldn't be a big deal for this class, because hopefully they're logged in as they're doing their work as well. But if you did want to share it with people and they didn't necessarily have a District 93 mail account, let's say you wanted to share a document with a teacher in another district or some other option, then you can click on More, and now you have a lot of options. And so you can make it public on the web, you can say anybody with a link, or again limit it to people within the district. So I'm going to go ahead and select anyone with a link, and again we have one more drop down here. We can let them either edit it, comment, or view it. We're going to say comment and save, and now we have a link here that we can use to share with the rest of the class. So I'm just going to click on copy there, and then I can come back to our form. Then I can put that link here in my shared learning log. Okay. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to send me an email or post your question on our Google Sites page.